Hey everyone, I'm back with another toy hunt video. Today I'm at Walmart, maybe in Surrey, British Columbia, Canada, and this one's assortment of figures is quite less than the one in Langley. We've got the gallimimus, Pteranodon. That's pretty cool. Usually the paint's a little iffy on the back, but this one's not bad. And the new Tyrannosaurus Rex battle damage figure with this like rolling feature and posable jaws. Very cool. There's quite a few of them here. They retail for $30 and these small ones are like $13. It's like some big cheap dinosaurs, but maybe they have more somewhere. Huh. Or not. Okay, well, hope you guys enjoyed this little update. Not much here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.